Welcome to ChopChopChef. I hope everybody's okay. Today, you and me, we doing a very famous traditional sort of cherry bocconcini and tomato salad. Simple, my version, right? Everything what I do has a little bit of twist to it, just for you. Okay, for my cherry bocconcini tomato salad, we have as well baby capsicums, which we actually, before I continue, we're going on the barbecue and charcoal those. Make them nice, sort of semi-black. I'm an expert in this one. All right, let's blacken them. Let's come. Okay, here we are back on our barbecue with our baby capsicum. As you can see, it's nicely, the heat is perfectly there, and we're putting these babies on here. And as I said, we charcoal those nicely on all sides, and we will regroup then inside. So in 5 minutes, when they're all done, we have a quick look how it's all looking, and then we go in the workbench. Okay, here you can see they're nicely charcoaled, our capsicums, right? That's what I like. Have a look here, beautiful. This is sort of the nice flavor what we're getting. Yeah, nice on all sides, even the yellow ones. Yeah, perfect. So we take them off the barbecue and we go inside. See you in there. Okay, so our capsicums from the barbecue, right? Let's cool them a little bit down. Obviously, we don't want them hot. Yeah. So our rainbow tomatoes, all what we do with these ones, we cut them in half or in quarters. Yeah, and we just chuck them in a bowl. So this obviously the red tomato, I take the core a little bit out. Yeah. Easy. And then we just cut probably some wedges. We keep this all nice and chunky. Yeah, that's what we like. Of course, I washed the tomato before. I can hear you already. I washed them. Don't worry. All good. Okay. So nice, beautiful color contrast. Yeah, maybe a few more. Few more of the red ones, hey? All right, that's the tomato. And the capsicum, now I purposely left the stalk on here, right? I want this as a presentation then later, yeah? So what I do now is I cut just here, yeah? So this is one part. We're taking, if there's any, look, there's not many seeds in it. Yeah, you could leave it really like this, and so that's what we then later on use for the presentation. Okay, so I cut those as well in half. Yeah, so one half like this, and the other half has the stalk. Perfect. Now we marinate these rainbow tomatoes. Okay, what we do with that? Okay. This rainbow tomatoes, we do a little bit, my favorite, right? Thick glaze with balsamic vinegar. Thick glaze, balsamic vinegar. And then we do, of course, we season them with salt, cracked pepper, and again, olive oil. And sorry, no, I don't have any shares in this one. I know I use a lot of it, but that's what it is. Okay, we're mixing those nicely. Easy, easy, easy. So simple. Okay, they marinate nicely. Okay, and then we're coming already to the presentation. All right, so our nice tomatoes, right? Have a look at this. No mucking around, right? So my idea here is really put it all on and spread it on the plate. Exactly, that's what I like. Yeah. And then our capsicums, they get a little bit placed, yeah, as they fall in pieces. Have a look. This looks already like a painter's plate, right? Please say yes. You agree with me? Good. My cameraman sort of shakes his head. Oh yeah, he has no idea. Okay. Not there yet, not there yet. Okay. We need obviously our main ingredients. Our cherry bocconcini as well. I do not cut those. I keep those whole. Okay. So your customer can do something as well. Have a look, have a look. We're getting there, we're getting there. All right. Then I have a little bit red onion julienne. Strips, not too thin, right? Again, just drizzle some over it. Not too many of those. Okay. This is this. Of course, everybody puts basil leaf on it. Well, we are not an exception. We do this as well. Some basil leaf, and when you do the basil leaves, I mean this one, use only the nice tiny ones, right? Please, not a big chunky, because soon you have a basil leaf in your mouth. Well, then you know what I mean. A small one everybody can take. Okay, and now my twist to this is, I have actually as well fennel. You have lots of people take this one and chuck it out. This is the good stuff, right? So we cutting some of the fennel green, and we place this one on there as well. Okay, so that's the beauty. And this is as well sort of a different flavor aspect to my version of cherry bocconcini, tomato, basil, summer salad. Did you wrote it down what I just said? Oh my God. Okay, one more time. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Little bit more cracked pepper, yes. And one more time, here it comes. Olive oil, of course, olive oil. Just say the word, amazing. Thank you so much for joining me on ChopChopChef, and enjoy this beautiful summer salad. Till next time.